I just went into town and I got this here carburetor cleaner in a can, or mechanic in a can. It's called Seafoam, and it's supposed to like break down a bunch of deposits, everything, this, that, and the other thing. It's going to be magic. I'm just going to try it out. I've never used it before, and I don't really know how much to put in, but we're just going to experiment with it. 10 mils per liter or something. So we'll just take a guess. I don't think there's too much in there, so like there's not much gas in there, so we'll just call that good. And then yeah, we'll let her sit while we have a beer and float in the pool, and start her up later.